Hey, it's Mr. Johns. Welcome back to Teardown. This is Classic Cars, and I've got to think this one through just a little bit better. I've got two classic cars that I need to. Now, this is not really a teardown job, is it? This is truly just stealing. When it comes down to it, that's what we're doing. We are stealing. Um, we've expanded our. This does not open. We've expanded our career skill set. Um, that gate only opens when a vehicle approaches. I don't know. I'll just go ahead. This is what's been working. I just drive straight through. And then what I'm going to do is, careful. Oh man, what a great game. I'm going to drive this boat. Hopefully a little bit better than I did in the previous episode where it completely sank. I have to remember everything in this game is like Legos. Everything just, if you bump something, it's going to tear it apart. So with this boat, I've got to be careful. I'm going to try to spin it around a little bit. Be a little bit smarter about how I do this. I'm going to back the boat up right to that dock. Well, it's not really a dock. I'm hoping the height is going to be okay. What I want to do is just not steer that sharp. Careful. I'm hoping I can just back the... There's several places I could do this, but I'm hoping I can back it either up right there. I just want to see if it's level. How's my height? And if my height's good, that Jeep, it looks like it will be. See, I already destroyed. Got to be so careful. I already destroyed part of the boat and part of the bridge. So I am hoping that the height is just the same, and I can drive the Jeep right there. It does look really close. Oh, but also careful. Careful. Okay, now the problem is, here's the problem. Now let's see, last time I couldn't get out this door because I can't remember which button it is to pull. I cannot remember. That's what it is, but I want to push. There we go. Oh, okay, so left. Yeah, so it's the opposite of hit. This button pulls. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. Look at this. Look at this. I love when a plan comes. So, all right. So that as soon as I drive that away, it's gonna set off. It's gonna disconnect that wire and set off a 60-second alarm. But that's okay if all I have to do is get it right to that circle. Aha! My plan is coming to fruition. And then I have to drive that away. That's my escape vehicle. So jump, jump, jump. Okay, so next we have to go over and get the other classic vehicle. And we can simply drive it over to the semi. I think this will do it. Yeah. Okay. Jump, jump, and jump. Got this all figured out. We're getting better at this. He is not a great jumper. Got to find something small to jump on for this guy. Right there is good. Boink. Nope. Boink. 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 And boink. And then jump and run jump. Okay. Nice. All right. Now I think we got something here. We're going to smash this because the door's locked for some reason. Okay. And okay. Now we do have to survive. I mean, this car has to survive in, right now it's in perfect shape. Let's see, can I back that way? No. I just want to drive probably just out the doors here. I don't want to damage the car as much as I want to prevent damaging the car. Damaging the truck is fine. But if anything even falls on the car, I mean, it's okay. Oh. What the heck, man? Did I? Wait a minute. I just turned a simple plan into a very complicated one. Dang, man. I got stuck. Well, wow, I messed that up. That was going to be such an easy. All right, it's never easy, right? It's never easy. Okay, that truck needs a little bit of a nudge. Luckily, I have the perfect vehicle for nudging. Come on. I mean, if this doesn't look fun, I don't know what would look fun to you. I just didn't realize how much fun tearing stuff down and destroying stuff would be. All right, now we need to be careful here. We don't want to destroy that car. We just want to nudge if we can. There we go. Now let's see if we can switch vehicles. Careful. Yes, yes, yes. Careful. Now look at, I'm just sitting. That's awesome. Let's get this thing out of here. Now let's see. Oh, I probably shouldn't destroy that. I need to drive. I do need to use that to drive the car off. I am going to pass on the. Oh, I hate to do it, but I'm going to pass on the two alternative targets. I just don't know how I would do that in time. I know there's a way. I know there's a way. Okay, now I actually physically don't have to park the car in the truck. I only have to get it in the circle. So this is a timing thing here. I'm going to drop that right in the circle. And it's the second I do, I've got to run over and get in the Jeep and then get in the circle. That's it. I have 60 seconds to do that. That should be no problemo. Here we go. Circle. Good. Okay, go, 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 go. Should be no problem. Almost too easy, I would think. Let's go. Look at that. But I'm going to go ahead and just take the easy out and not even be tempted to try to get two different things. There's a way. There's a way. And I'll figure that out another time. But so that's one way to successfully. It shows I like how it shows your path. And it's pretty simple how I did that. Was just boom, 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 back and forth. That worked. 9 minutes, 2 seconds. I got the 2 required targets. I did not get the optional targets, but that is okay. That is just fine. Let's continue. And so, oh, looks like a storm is coming up. Let's go ahead and just check out the. Hey, there we go. Let's just check out the office here. Since I've got time, that was a pretty quick push. Seems like okay. No prize, no new weapon for that at all. So I should just have an email that says thank you from Mr. Wu, Classic Cars. Fantastic work. Looks like it worked because they just cleared a construction permit for the new dock. No, that's the wrong thing. Um, wait, didn't I just finish that one? Interesting. It acts like I didn't finish that one. I did this one already. Hmm. Okay. Well, let's look. That's but it says done. It's check mark. That's okay. So I guess there's nothing from him yet. I guess that's why. Lawrence Lee Jr. Yeah, I kind of have a feeling the Lees and the Woos have kind of a thing against each other. Okay. Speaking of, this guy says, you don't know me, but I've had a series of break ins recently. Yeah, thank you. Yours truly. In the last one, I lost two very rare classic cars. Guess what? I know who did it. Gordon Wu, that absolute bad guy, is now bragging to everyone at the club about his two new favorite possessions. The break-ins caused me a lot of property damage. I'd like to let Gordon taste some of his own medicine since you're in the demolition industry. I thought, well, I don't know if you do that sort of work, but let me know if it sounds interesting. um, the car wash, it's called. Now, I also have another email from Parissa. She's the cop. Been up all night digging through the login devices. Managed to find a connection. This, by the way, this is referring to a previous mission. There's a connection. By the way, that's me to the West Point Marina. I have not been able to figure out more on BT, but Lee has a warehouse in West Point. I guess whatever fishy business he is up to, the marina is not the final destination. I was thinking the boat GPS devices can give me an idea where he is moving the product, especially if I could compare their recent destinations to the shipping log. Can you get them for me? Okay, so she's a cop that's bribing me because I would go to jail for the things I've been doing unless I help her. So that's the situation I am in. So I've got two things. It looks like next time around I'll tackle one of those. Thanks for joining me. And classic cars complete. Thanks for joining me. I'll catch you next time. For now, Mr. Johns is out.